there, what's up, beautiful people? Today I will be taking you along with me while I reorganize my small linen closet. I already cleared out everything, so now I'll just be wiping down the racks and vacuuming, and I'll also be wiping down the doors because I found a lot of dust on there, so y'all know we had to take care of that. If this is your first time here with me, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. My name is Levion and I enjoy posting motivational cleaning, home decor, and organization videos. If this type of content keeps your interest, please consider subscribing. And to all my new and returning subscribers, hey, thank you so much for coming back and I appreciate all of your continuous support. When you are decluttering, reorganizing, or just redecorating any space in your home, you always want to start off with a clear and clean space.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh nah. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down. Baby going down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you.
I like to play around with the placement of the baskets. That way I know how everything will be mapped out and I can kind of like get an idea of where I'm going to place everything else.
That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, us no more. We don't know. No, us no more. We don't know. No, us no more.
Top rack and also in the basket, I'll just have some of our extra sheets. I only keep 2 extra sheets per bed. When trying to keep an organized space, try keeping sheets and towels down to a minimum, at least 2 per bed. That way everything isn't so overcrowded. I'll be folding my towels like this just to make it fit a little better and look a little neater. I usually would just roll the towels and washcloths, which I do like, but I just decided just to go with a different look. I only use white towels and washcloths, one because I just do love the look of them, and these Costco washcloths and towels do give you that hotel look and feel.
Baby going down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. No, I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. We don't know. No, it's no more. No. We don't know. No, it's no more. No more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no. Yeah. You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth. Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
So here is what the linen closet is looking like so far. Y'all know I had to add in some type of greenery plant. So this little faux plant I thought just added a really nice touch to the linen closet. Here are my towels. I only have like 9 towels, 3 towels per person. And I just rather not overload the linen closet with just like extra towels that we'll probably just never use. And then I'll also just be putting in the dryer sheets underneath the towels just to make the towels smell fresh and, you know, the linen closet smell good as well. In the bottom rack baskets, I'll just be adding in some of my extra lotions, soaps, and cleaning supplies. If you guys watch my pantry organization video, then these baskets will look pretty familiar to you. I thought that using these baskets would look really nice in the linen closet, which I'm glad I did use them because I thought they do look really good. In my home, I'm always changing things out, sometimes just having new ideas or just creating new looks. here is the finished look. I think it looks so nice and well organized. I hope that you guys have found some inspiration to reorganize or organize your linen closet. And if you have, please let me know below in the comments. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to give this video a happy thumbs up. And if you haven't also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me while I reorganize my small linen closet. Thank you guys as always, and to the next video. Bye-bye.
Of emotions, sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call